I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna take a trip to Harolds Chicken in Chicago. But first, let me change my clothes. It's morphin' time. Y'all ready to go? They think they talking. You think I'm talking to them? They love chicken. See, it's not just black people love chicken. All right, we about to roll. I'm gonna film today's. We're gonna film today's going out to get this chicken. Y'all wanna go too? What's up, Coco Church? What's up? I'm going to get the chicken. I'm going to get some chicken. I'm going to get some chicken. Okay, so the Harolds Chicken that we're going to right now, this one is in Hyde Park. So, University of Chicago. I think I'm going to get like some wings. 7-piece, 8-piece. Let's go. All right, so in this neighborhood, right now we're in the Hyde Park area. In this neighborhood, you never know who you might see. I mean, it could be anybody. I told you, you might bump into anybody. Soon I turned the camera off. Hey, ran into one of the community leaders over here. Young Corby out here. Made sure that we had the first University of Chicago medical, like emergency trauma center on the south side. Just made that happen. So yeah, just bumped into C. Let's keep it moving.
Guys getting off from work, you know.
Go ahead. You 53?
No, I'm 52.
Thank you.
I mean, it's moving pretty quickly.
Yeah, they just take it on.
All right, finally, you can see we got what we need. We got it. We got the hidden treasure. So we're about to get into it. Now, a lot of people that's not from Chicago, they tend to say, I want to go to Harolds. It's like a tourist spot. Now, there's a lot of other chicken places that are much better than Harolds. But Harolds is a franchise, and they're consistent. They got the secret sauce. And so, you know, if you're a small business owner, you're looking to get into a business that's going to sell, it's hard to go wrong with a Harolds Chicken franchise in Chicago. Okay, all right, guys. So I'm in the studio, and we're about to get it in this Harolds. All right, here it is. See.
Rock Legion.
A few moments later. As expected, the Harolds was delicious. Scrumptious. If y'all want me to go back to Harolds, interview some people, it was a lot of people in there. I just decided to turn on the camera. As soon as I did it, literally like 15 people came into the line. and people just start turning up, especially when I have the camera in my hand. Sometimes people just want to get interviewed. So if you want me to do another video where I go to their Harolds or another one and I'm interviewing people, talking to people just in general about Chicago, about whatever, let me know. Put a link in the description. We'll talk with them. We'll build with them. So if you want to build more, maybe you might want to get your Harolds Chicken franchise or something like that. And that way you can be able to get money that's reoccurring on a daily basis, and you can have a line of people coming to see you and you can flip it. You dig me? You dig me? All right, but I'm Jackson. I'm gonna roll out. I'm about to get back on this computer and we're gonna make some music really soon. So just stick to it. Stick with me. So I'll be seeing y'all on the flip side. Make sure you like, subscribe to the page. Peace.